The second part we have coming up is also a very prolific lupus, always fighting on MBS group. He was the former undefeated Southeast Asia Professional Latin Dancing Champion. He was former grand finalist Asia Pacific Professional Latin Championship in Hong Kong in year 2000. He is also the official trainer and choreographer for the show, So You Think You Can Dance, for year 2007 as well for 2008. And he's also the national trainer for the Indonesian SEA Games athletes for ballroom dancing in Cebu 2005. 2005. Now let me introduce you, William Low and let him introduce the rest.
Good evening, Lupus. Thank you for coming this Chinese New Year. I think the Lupus on the net is very effective. Tonight, I would like to introduce this couple. Okay, now he's only 13 years old and she's only 12 years old. Actually not 12, but 11. Okay, and his name is Trillian Yong. He's from Sungai Bakap, somewhere near Penang. He just arrived here at 2 p.m. just now. Okay, he just arrived. And from 2 p.m. in Central, I brought him to my studio to do an intensive training for tonight's show. So tonight you better see Okay, now of course Nicolo is my daughter. She's my eldest daughter.
Alright.
Okay. And the first dance they're going to perform for you is going to be a dance brought by the American GIs in World War II. And the dance is called the Jive. Okay, and ladies and gentlemen, please give them a big hand. Trillian and Nicole. Thank you.